Good day guys. In this video, I am going to explain you how to install WordPress website on your hosting account. First thing I will do, I will log into my HostPapa account. Then go to the control panel, my cPanel. I would like to have URL for my WordPress website. So because of that, first thing that I do, I will create subdomain. Click on subdomain. Here you can give name for your subdomain. In this case, let's say my subdomain is WP. Okay, now you can see it create a URL address and I will create it. Okay, that is created. Go back. So these are the subdomain that I have. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, so here I can see software that I can install in my hosting account. Click on WordPress. Now you come to this WordPress installation page. Okay. Now in this case, you can go to install now. Here select the subdomain. So I want to install in WP bliss4.co.nz subdomain and also have admin password. So this help you to edit your page or website later. So because of that, you can generate password. So in my case, I'm going to put some password here. Okay, so here you can have your admin email that will give notification to that email address because of that. Then I will select preferred theme for my website. I like this travel theme. Okay. If you want to see the demo, you can click on this one and see the demo. Then I will click select theme. Yes. Then install. This will take few minutes. Okay. Now your website is ready. Just click on this URL. That is the subdomain that you created. Now you can see your beautiful WordPress site. Now this is the template and data coming from the template itself. I know you want to edit these pages. In order to edit this one, so what you do is just type /admin. Then you will get this admin login page for WordPress site. Just enter the username and password that you created. Then it will take you to this admin console. Now from here, you can edit your web page. So here you can see the pages. If you go to each of these page, you can see how you edit. In this video, I'm not going to explain it. So later I will explain how you edit individual pages. I hope the tutorial is useful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.